Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Helmia efna. My ID number is 19231025. I will explain the material about how to store chemical in the laboratory. How to store chemical is the same as only storing laboratory equipment. The properties of each material must be known before storing, such as 1. Material is that can reaction with plastic should be stored in glass bottles. 2. Materials that can reaction with glass should be stored in plastic bottles. Number 3. Materials that can change when exposed to direct sunlight should be stored in the dark bottles and placed in a closed cupboard. Number 4. Materials that are not easily damaged by direct sunlight can be stored in bottles clean. Number 5. Hazardous materials and corrosive materials should be stored separately from other materials. Number 6. Materials are stored in bottles that are given the characteristic symbol of each ingredient. Number 7. Should be stored in the large bottles. Extraction of chemical from just enough bottles as needed, and the rest of the practical material is stored in small bottles. Then return to the main bottle and need to avoid damaging the material in the main bottle. Number 1. Combustible material. Storage temp, cold temperature and ventilated. Number 2. Available fire extinguisher. Number 3. Keep away from sources of ignition or heat, especially electric flames and cigarette coals. Number 2. Explosive materials. Storage terms, cool and ventilated room. Keep away from heat and fire. Avoid friction or mechanical impact. Number 3. Toxic materials. Cool and ventilated room, away from fire hazard. Provided personal protective equipment, work clothes, masks, and gloves. Separated from material that may reaction. The valve of the gas line must be kept tightly closed when not in use. Number 4. Corrosive materials. Storage rooms, cool and ventilated room, closed and label containers, separated from toxic substance and oxidizing material. Storage rooms, cool and ventilated room temperature, keep away from source of ignition and heat, including electric flames and cigarette ends. Keep away from flammable liquid or reduction agents. Number 6. Material yang digunakan. Storage tanks, cold, dry, and ventilated room temperature, away from source of ignition or heat. Watertight buildings, provided a fire extinguisher with a hazard. Example: CO2 dry powder. Number 7. The material is reactive to exit. The tank, cool and ventilated room, keep away from source of ignition, heat and exit. The storage room needs to be designed so as not to allow hydrogen pockets to form. Provided personal protective equipment such as gloves and work clothes. And the last one, pressure gas. Storage tanks, store upright and tied up, cool room and not exposed to direct sunlight, away from fire and heat, away from corrosive materials which can damage holes and holes. This is Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hayatul Hanifah. I am from National Science Education, A grade, and my student ID is 1923 1024. Here, I will explain to you how to transfer the material of chemical. You know, the material of chemical have two shapes. First is liquid, and the second is solid. Here I explain to you how to transfer the liquid chemical material and solid chemical material. Let's begin! Okay, firstly, I will explain to you how to transfer the liquid material of chemistry. This is I using synthetic coloring, green, and then I using glasses and a spoon. In chemistry experiment, you have to using test tub. This is drawing, and then steering board, and then another glasses of chemical. Let's begin. Open the cap of this bottle, and then this top take to a paper. Close the hole of this bottle with your print, just like this, and then hold the bottle with your hand, like this, like this. Don't shake it, and then using the steering board to these glasses to moving it. You have to do it, be careful. Yes. Okay. Move it on. And then done. Close it again. I'm sorry. Done. And then number 2, how to transfer the solid material of chemical. Here I using kitchen salt, plate, and a spoon. But in chemical laboratory, you have using spoon of chemistry spoon, and another container of chemistry. Okay, let's do it. Firstly, open the box, and then put the spoon. Take the crystal of salt. Don't take too much, but only all you need. Move it into the plate, and then all is done. Don't forget to close it again. Done. Okay guys, that's all of my trick how to transfer the material of chemistry. Maybe I have so much of mistake to transfer it, so I say sorry. I hope you have a better trying to do that in your laboratory or your house. That's all. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatulahi wabarakatuh.